Do you see your organization from an operational point of view or from a strategic perspective? Let's talk that for a minute. An operation point of view is more a technology-driven, perhaps SME-driven view of the organization. And there are several ways, there are several signs for that matter, that you are doing a more operational point of view of the organization when you try to protect it. I'll mention two here as an example. So you see the production environment as a flat category. Everything in the production environment has the same value because it is production. In reality, there are several fluctuations in what is critical in a production environment. For instance, the systems that are supporting the corporate objectives, the systems that are supporting your next product, the systems that are supporting your financial systems if you're a bank, so systems that are supporting the medical records and the exams if you are a healthcare provider, or the ones that are supporting the mission of your organization. Those that have a direct impact on the customers that receive the products and services for it. Those will have a higher value, and that when you start thinking strategically. So from an operational point of view, your production environment has the same value every single asset versus in a strategic point of view. The second example is most of the time you will hear that DMZ system, the systems that are externally facing on your network, have a higher priority than your internal systems. Now, there are different point of views in here and depends on, I just want to explain the context of my explanation. And that is an SME point of view versus a strategic point of view of what is important. Once again, the DMZ, the external facing system, not all are weighted equally. However, from an operational and SME perspective, they are absolutely right. Those are the most vulnerable system because they are the most exposed to the internet, and there are very fewer layers in between the outside world to the internal world. Yes, from an operational perspective. From a strategic perspective, you might see a difference. So putting under context, I'm not saying those don't take care of those systems. Yes, they are in the outer limits of your network. So you need to make sure they are rightly protected, make sure they are patched first and so forth. But those are tell signs that you have either an operational or in a strategic perspective on your network and organization.